Okay, Francesca Soriano, second runner-up, Texter's Choice Awardee. Congratulations. Number 1. Okay, now let's announce the first runner-up for the Texter's Choice Awardee. The first runner-up is Alexia Chinel, number 19. She will hold the title Most Popular Star Model of Cebu 2011. Sino sa palagay ninyo? Sino ba mga binoto ninyo? Okay, let's go on. The Most Popular Star Model, the Texter's Choice Grand Winner, Cebu Circle of the Stars. First year. Ito yung mga kapanalunan niya. Sulit na sulit. 35,000 worth of scholarship grant from Global Knowledge Philippines. Ito yung pinakamalaking computer center sa Manila. 20,000 worth of workshop from Star Horizon, one of the best-selling workshop centers in the Philippines. And a candy staff toy, trophies, cash, certificate, stylish bag. Ano pa? Brand new cell phone. Gift pack, brand new cell phone, and a cash prize, which will be given later kasi we can check payment natin. Okay? Okay, the most